Hey guys, I'm Jacquie Bird, and I'm a master teacher and choreographer. I have over 40 years of experience. I started when I was 2. And I have done Broadway, TV, film, and I have performed all over the world. I've taught all over the world. I've been to India teaching. I've been to Colombia, Mexico, Japan, and I've taught all over this country. I've taught in universities and at Broadway Dance Center, Steps, Perry Dance, just to name a few. And I'm really, really happy you're here. What I do, I call mixed bag jazz. So I work with so many different styles of jazz dance,